Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. ICSE PA program in 2024. Should you join or not? And after completing this program, will you get the guaranteed job? क्या इस प्रोग्राम को करने के बाद आपको guaranteed job मिलती है या नहीं? And the salary offered after completing this program is 5 lakh to 5.5 lakhs per annum. So what will be your in-hand salary? इस प्रोग्राम को कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपका in-hand salary कितना होगा? And of course it's a paid program, so you need to pay 2,55,500 rupees for this course. So is it worth or not? And what will be your job role and your work responsibilities? Whether it includes field work or not? And आपका जॉब का टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा? आपकी वर्किंग आवर्स कितनी रहेगी? And after completing this program, what are the career growth opportunities? Let's discuss everything in this video. पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा ICSE प्रोग्राम के बारे में थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ. ICSE PA program is conducted by Manipal Academy, which is in Bengaluru. Manipal Academy has a tie-up with the ICSE Bank to conduct this program on the bank's behalf. So it's a genuine program, and it's not an online program. There is no virtual classes. It's an offline program, so you need to visit Manipal Academy in Bengaluru to take the training. और इस ट्रेनिंग को कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपको ICSE बैंक में सिलेक्ट कर लिया जाता है. As they have mentioned on their website, after completing this program, you get a job guarantee. You will be hired as a probationary officer and the grade offered to you will be deputy manager band 1. तो पहले इसके eligibility criteria के बारे में बात करते हैं. What are the entry requirements of this program? So the minimum required qualification to join this program is graduation. If you have completed your graduation, you are eligible for this program. अगर आपने graduation किया है तो फिर आप इस प्रोग्राम के लिए eligible हो. And the percentage required in the graduation should be 55% or above. और इस कोर्स को करने के लिए आपका work experience कितना required होता है? So there is no work experience required. If you are fresher, you can still eligible for this program. And if you have any experience of 1 year or 2 years, you can still apply for this program. And अगर एज लिमिट की अगर बात करें तो योर एज शुड बी बिलो 27 years टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम. 27 is the maximum age limit to apply for this program. And if you do not have 55% in your bachelor's, whether if you have 54% or 54.5%, you can still apply for this program because there is no application charges or any application fee. So you can submit your application and let's wait for the HR decision. Now let's talk about the selection process. इसके selection के क्या-क्या steps हैं. So the first step is you need to visit ICSI career portal and apply for this program. You need to get registered yourself. You need to fill the application form and you need to upload the mandatory documents. एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को फिल करने के बाद आपका सेकंड स्टेप आता है जो कि आपका एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट होता है. सो द सेकंड स्टेप इज एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट. इफ यू गेट शॉर्टलिस्टेड आफ्टर फिलिंग द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, इफ योर प्रोफाइल मैचेस, देन दे इनवाइट यू फॉर द एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट. और एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट आपका ऑनलाइन होता है. सो यू कैन गिव योर एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट ऑन योर मोबाइल फोन, ऑन योर लैपटॉप और डेस्कटॉप ऑनलाइन. एंड देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग. यू कैन अटेंड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. एंड द सिलेबस आर जनरल इंग्लिश, रीजनिंग, एप्टीट्यूड, मैथ्स एक्सेट्रा. सो अगर आप टेस्ट को क्लियर कर लेते हो, इफ यू क्लियर द एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, देन दे इनवाइट यू फॉर द पर्सनल इंटरव्यू एंड दैट्स द थर्ड स्टेप. सो द इंटरव्यू इज द लास्ट फाइनल steps for the selection process, and the interview will be done online, so you can attend your interview on your mobile phone or your desktop or your laptop. And after clearing your interview, if you get selected, training process starts. और ये एक ऑफलाइन और क्लासरूम ट्रेनिंग है, तो इसके लिए आपको मणिपाल एकेडमी आपको विजिट करना पड़ेगा जो कि आपका बेंगलुरु में है. So the total duration of this course is 1 year. 12 months is the duration of this course, and the training process is divided in 3 terms. Let's discuss each of them. Term 1 is classroom training. Term 2 is internship and term 3 is on the job training. So the duration of the first term, which is classroom training, is 4 months. In 4 months you will be learning about the banking history, about the ICICI Bank, about its products and services, and how to sales, how to make relationship. And for this 4 months of classroom training, you will be getting stipend. You will be getting 5,000 per month for 4 months. That is 20,000. मतलब इस ट्रेनिंग के दौरान आपको सैलरी भी प्रोवाइड की जाती है जिसको स्टिपेंड कहा जाता है, और ये 5,000 पर मंथ आपको प्रोवाइड की जाएगी जो कि 4 महीने के लिए आपका 20,000 होगा. And after completing term 1, term 2 starts. The duration of the term 2 is 2 months and it's an internship period. And for this term you will be getting salary of 22,000 to 24,000 depends on your location. And for this 2 months there will be no classroom training. It's an internship period, so you will be learning from the professionals. और इस 2 महीने की ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में आपको 22,000 से लेके 24,000 आपको सैलरी प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. And after term 2, term 3 starts, which is of 6 months. So the duration of the term 3 is 6 months and it's a on the job training. Again there will be no classroom trainings, no classroom classes in Manipal Academy. You will be learning everything in the bank itself. And your on the job training location can be anywhere in pan India in any ICICI Bank branch. And for this 6 months you will be on the job training and you will be actually working in the bank and learning from your seniors. And for this 6 months you will be getting salary of 28,000 to 32,000 while on the job training. So the total salary or the total stipend you will get while doing this course is 2.32 lakhs to 2.6 lakhs. After completing your training you get selected in ICICI Bank as a probationary officer and the grade is deputy manager band 1 and the salary offered by the bank is 5 lakhs to 5.5 lakhs per annum, and it's a CTC. You will get some deduction and your in-hand salary will be somewhere around 30 to 38k per month. अब बात करते हैं इस कोर्स को कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपका जॉब रोल, आपकी वर्क एंड आपकी रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज क्या रहेगी. You need to sell all the banking products and services, like you need to open current account, savings account, you need to sell credit cards, loans, insurance, you need to open demat account, FD, mutual fund, SIPs, and इसमें आपका फील्ड विजिट भी रहता है. It includes field visit also. You need to go to the clients, you need to go to the client's preferred location and to sell the products and services to them. Also sometimes you need to attend in branch walk-in customers, you need to solve their queries, you need to sales to them and you need to make relationship with them. And आपका working hours जो रहेगा वो आपका 9 घंटे का रहेगा. On an average your shift will be start from 9 AM in the morning and it will be continue till 6:30 or 7 PM in the evening. Job location की अगर बात करें तो your job location will be anywhere in pan India. Maybe you will get your home location or mostly you will not get your home location. So your job location can be anywhere in the pan India. And इस कोर्स को कंप्लीट करने में आपका फीस कितना लगता है? So the course fees is 2,55,500 including all the taxes and GST. And the course fee includes food provided by the Manipal Academy and also they provide room facilities and the fees are included in the course fees till classroom trainings only. And अगर career growth and future opportunities की अगर बात करें तो it has a good career growth. Upon your performance you can be promoted as deputy manager band 2 or branch sales manager or branch manager. तो अब बात करते हैं आपको ये प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करना चाहिए या नहीं, whether you should join or not. So the program is good, genuine and you get guaranteed job. But it's a hardcore sales profile, so you need to sales thing, you need to sales, you need to communicate with the clients, you need to go for the field visit. It's a sales profile, so there is a high sales targets and pressures. It's not a desk job, so you need to travel to the client location also. So only join this program if you can sales thing, if you can communicate with the client, if you can work under pressure, if you can meet the targets. और इस प्रोग्राम को करने के बाद आपको सेल्स का ही प्रोफाइल मिलता है, तो अगर आप इसे डायरेक्ट भी अप्लाई करते हो कैरियर पोर्टल पे जाके तो आप सेल्स ऑफिसर या फिर न्यू रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर के पोस्ट पे सिलेक्ट हो जाते हो. If you apply directly for the sales profile, after 2 or 3 years you can be promoted on a good post. And of course it's cost you around 2.5 lakhs. So if you are paying 2.5 lakhs and comfortable with the sales profile, then you can only join. Otherwise you can go to the portal and apply for the sales profile. You can be selected without any fees or any charges. And after working hard on the sales profile, you can be promoted on a good post. You can check my other videos on how to apply job directly or I will put the video link in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a like and if this channel helped you, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I see you all the very best. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.